Hello, and welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. My name is Paul. Thanks for joining me today. If you were around for the live stream here this past weekend, I gave away a bunch of stuff and a bunch of airbrushes and things. We had some that we gave away to anyone that was there that we did a drawing for, but then we also had a drawing for people who contributed onto the super chat. And that's what we're going to do today, is we're going to spin the wheel and see who wins the super chat airbrush. And this is an Iwata Neo, that's what it is, Iwata Neo, and it's a really nice brush. For those that contributed, we put their name on the spinning wheel here. And for those who contributed more than once, we put a block on the spinning wheel for you for those that contributed multiple times. So if you contributed 5 times, then you got 5 spaces here on the spinning wheel. So let's go ahead and spin the wheel and see who the lucky person is. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a spin here, and let's see what happens. This is going to be a lot of fun, and I love giving stuff away, so make sure you're at the next live broadcast and you might win something too. Let's see who's going to win here. And the winner is Santa Slow Dog. Santa Slow Dog is the winner of the Iwata Neo airbrush. Congratulations to you, brother. Just get a hold of me so I make sure I got your mailing address correct, and we'll get everything taken care of. But congratulations to you again. Thank you for joining me today on Diecast Graveyard. We've got a lot more videos coming up in the future, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And thank you again for joining me here today. If there's something you'd like to see, put it in the comments. Thank you, and cheers.